Hey everyone, and welcome to Be10x. Today we are diving into the world of eye-catching thumbnails with a powerful tool, Dall-E 3. Thumbnails are crucial for grabbing attention on YouTube, and Dall-E 3's AI image generation can take your thumbnails to the next level. So buckle up and let's explore how to create stunning thumbnails using Dall-E 3 with a little help from ChatGPT Insights. Moreover, I'll also let you know how you can organize your prompts for making amazing thumbnails. But before, if you are really interested in learning AI tools, and we have a fruitful workshop with us, which I will talk in later part of this video.
9 rupees. 9 rupees cannot even buy you a packet of chips. But what if I tell you 9 rupees can save your job? What if I tell you 9 rupees can get you salary hike? What if I tell you 9 rupees can build your career in better way? Sounds too good to be true, right?
Now, I'm going to show you in this video. So there are 5 parts of prompt, and basically any type of genre or any niche that you go after for creating a thumbnail. These 5 parts are going to let you really dial in what you're looking for. Move ahead with part 1 of this equation is the image type. So you always have to give it an example of image that you are looking for. So that could be a photograph, illustration, drawing, oil painting. So I always start the beginning of my prompt as create me a YouTube thumbnail in a photographic style or in an illustration style. So that becomes the very first part. The second part is you have to describe the setting, basically the quick description of environment. So the example I'm going to use for this one is urban backdrop at night. So what we have so far, the first part of photographic style, the second part is describing basically the backdrop or the setting urban drop at night. The third part is the main subject. So you have to basically highlight the primary element that you have to see in this case. Mine is going to be 2 people comparing the smartphones. So part 1, style part. Second, setting part. Third, the main subject that I want to see. We have a couple more parts to it. Part 4, the text placement, and to tell it what text you want to see in the thumbnail. So the text I'm going to use with a quotation mark, learn with AI. And then if you want to give some styling for the text, you can mention with letters. Center at the bottom, it's going to tell it where to put the text. So this was the text that was right centered for this previous example that I was using. And the very last part, if you could also describe the overall mood. So that's the tone and the style. So in this case, I'm going to choose modern and dynamic. After completion of the prompt, let's go ahead with generate option. Until it's generating, you all know that AI is taking over the world in such a short span of time. We have seen so many layoffs, million of jobs replaced by AI and whatnot. You don't want to get affected by this recession wave, right? Well, AI won't replace you, but the person using AI will. If you want to save your job and become irreplaceable in your career, join our 3 hours AI tool workshop, in which we will teach you about the best AI tool to upskill, increase your productivity, and enhance your career. Now, let's check what captivating thumbnail it has created for us. Wow, that's really what I wanted. It was created a photographic style featuring a complete urban backdrop at night with 2 people comparing smartphones, and I cannot find the text here, and designed in a modern and dynamic fonts to match the scene's contemporary vibe. So I'll again give a prompt, adding a text that learn with AI started creating an image with a text, and this time it created the best version of thumbnail. So you can experiment it until you get the perfect thumbnail. You can easily go for the download options and edit with your own experiments. So that's the wrap on creating killer thumbnails with Dall-E 3. But the journey doesn't end here. I want to hear from you. What are your biggest thumbnail struggles? What tips you have found helpful? Share your thoughts in the comment section, and let's build a community on Thumbnail Masters. Do not forget to subscribe so you can never miss a video. This was Ushma signing off. Until next time, stay creative, stay awesome, and keep those views rolling.